All right.
Okay. So this is my gift.
Why you got your face covered up?
Because of the corona. Oh, my bad. All right. So this is my gift. A sprinkle of magic just for you from a land far, 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 far away.
Why'd you be feeling?
Did it say that? It said that many times?
Oh, Robin, 10 reasons why I love you. Well, I know about this. I saw this online.
All right, so take it out of the plastic, and I want you to read it.
Take it out the plastic. Plastic. Issy, elastic.
Show everybody the front.
This is the front. Look at the nigga. That nigga got a face that'll kind of like my face.
That's what we were going for. Okay.
Okay. To the love of my life.
This is from you, isn't it? Yeah.
If roses were red, I write one for you. It would say, flowers will. So I will make you a book. Huh? Okay. And it is every word is true. So let it be real. KG. That's me.
All right, everybody see that picture?
Man.
That's cute.
I really just want to look at the pictures.
Okay, go ahead.
And there are no pictures here. And oh shit, I did that the other day.
Wait, where's the question though?
The
All right,
question is,
everybody
Where's
see it?
me?
I'm
Okay,
sorry,
now what does
son.
it say?
It say I be fixing stuff. It say I love you, Robin, because you are my handyman. You even changed the two in my to-do list to can. Oh, that's dope. You can build wonders from scratch. Maybe. Yeah. Show them sides, back scratch. Yeah. Put that on the list. Holy shit.
When have you ever done this?
Sweeten the sweating the small stuff.
Huh?
As you hold my bosom close.
Wait, whoa.
I said bosom. Sweating small stuff. Made exclusively for me. Oh, this supposed to be like some cologne. I don't know. I mean, yeah, like.
What does that say?
It say which part? Right down here. Mm-hmm. It say my memories. My old memories stay fresh with your old factory delights. And I love you, Robin, because you always smell nice. I do be smelling nice.
Okay.
From notes of freshly showered to hints of working out for hours, you are a full body reminder of love's more earthly power. Yeah, I've been working out. I'm strong. You can't tell them this hoodie, but I'm strong. I'm strong. Alright, y'all, check that out. That's what's at the park. You know what I'm saying? I look like a geek, but
When did y'all go to the park?
Robin and TK's love story. Also by the same author, 10 Reasons I Love You. Yeah. TK seems well composed and fits in for sure, but under the surface she hides so much more. She has dreams, quirks, and fears she keeps to herself that pile up over years like books on a shelf. Then she meets Robin. He sees past her cover. They share secrets and flaws and grow from each other. I like the real you, he says, that you let me see. I love you, Robin, because you let me be me. That is facts, you know what I'm saying?
This is where I'm going to show up, right?
If you want to drop it low, drop it low. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm here for. Check it out.
Okay, you've never golfed.
Oh, yeah, but I am an athlete. And if I did golf, I would be 75% better than you at.
Turn around.
What?
Say it like this.
And this is, I assume this is Sierra. No. This is Sierra.
It's just other
This is
people
Brandy.
in the picture.
This is Sierra.
You giving them names.
Brandy and Sierra.
What
And these the dudes from my job.
does it say?
Yeah.
It says TK. It says, hey KG, you know, whenever I don't have you near, I just can't help but wish you were here. Oh, there you go. Wish you were here. I have fun on my own, but not like we do. So if I'm glued to my phone, it's cause I miss you too. Jokes, stories, and troubles that tie us together. No one shares them like us. We're the best couple ever.
Dad.
We read each other's minds. I know what you're sitting. I know how you're sitting in. Robin, I love you forever because you're my best friend. Oh, girl, you gonna make my best friends beat your ass. No. Check that out.
What's
Stuff
the
right
name?
there. Yeah. And then, you know, it might be one with me doing, let's see what happens. Oh, okay.
This where I show up. Really?
So, it's apparent you're a parent. So right here, as you can see, I had the baby in this world. I was pregnant. Now,
Stop that.
Yeah, I was one of the reasons that kept y'all together.
And now your mom is a cop.
You're not even reading it. You just look at the pictures.
And your mom was trying to be nasty. Moving violation. Let's see. I got a moving violation. Let's say, state of playing it cool. First name Robin, aka AKG. Damn, you know too much. Eyes make me blush. Hair make you flush. Must be talking about the bird. You feel me, kitty? You know what I'm saying? Height a delight. Weight just right. I mean, I am now. You know, you can't tell, but I'm skinny. Skinny.
Nah, I still got them things.
Yeah, I still got some muscles. You know what I'm saying?
No, that ain't muscle right
Date
there.
of birth, I love you. Sexy. Sex. Why? Oh, okay, never mind that. Claim. I was asleep at the wheel, just cruising along, and you cut me off, and the chase was on. My heart still races now that you're caught. I love you, Robin, because you're hot. Oh. Tell it, son.
Okay, well, these are my pages. I know one of the reasons why you guys said that is because of me. Because if it wasn't for me appearing, you would not stop being a what the God.
What the God?
What
Right.
in God's name?
I don't.
Turn it around.
I know, right, kitty? I know.
Okay, go ahead, read.
What the heck is this?
This is you may not know KG, but you have a way of totally puckering up my day. You stir up my senses when our lips meet with your perfect blend of spicy and sweet. Yeah, I got you on that hot sauce now. You know, you whip up the right mode to blow me away with a handful of heart and just a pinch of PDA. If your secret recipe that cannot miss, I love you, Robin, for how you kiss. Yeah, you bought
Seriously, you're wearing nothing but an apron. That's not.
Don't worry about that, son. You too busy. You too busy being nosy. It's wrong folks business. It's wrong folks business. Oh.
Mom!
Yeah. The backup. Yeah. Yeah. This is us fighting.
Read what it say.
I ain't gonna make no jokes. And what critics are calling a thrill ride of support comes a heroic performance that never falls short in a world ravaged by routine, where adultering reigns supreme. Robin is the backup, and he saves TK in every scene, from the horrors of Shortzilla to Taxitron's attack. Oh my gosh, you really. All right, okay. Well, fuck Taxitron as a staff record label in it. Oh, okay. I love you, KG, because you always have my back. You stand by me in a way no one else will ever equal, and send all my problems packing with no need for a sequel. Unless the studio want to make money.
I feel left out in this story.
Okay, turn it around so you can see that.
This is us kissing, and if you look right here, we are making a deformed heart because that's what.
What does this say?
It said, I had a memory of you on the day we first met. I felt this reason then too, and I'll never forget. knowing right then that push come to shove, we'll be together. Robin guided by love. Love's not always clear and can hurt to the bone, yet soothes any fears while feeling like home. And so more in one kiss than 1,000 words. It says more in one kiss than 1,000 words do, and lets us reminisce about dreams we'll make true. So let's be dreamers, KG. After all, roses are red, violets are blue. You're my reason to love, Robin, and I love you too.
I feel so left out in the story.
Oh, that's dope.
So what was the page that we missed?
So what
that
you
skipped
think?
over?
You like it?
Oh yeah, this is dope.
So, so Dad, about that page you skipped over, what the heck was that about?
Don't no.
You, put it back in the box so it'll stay safe.
Hold
That was
on.
Robin reading his birthday present. You want any last words?
Hold
I
on.
just want to say thank you, baby.
Aw.
It's a beautiful present. I appreciate it. Yeah, that's nice. We can pass that on. Hey, hey.